Hello YouTube, Dan O'Hare. Just going to go quickly through a bit of a tool haul here. I picked up at the flea market. It's one I normally haven't been to, so I thought I'd check it out. I come across a few really nice items. There's a 29 or I think it's 29 socket, snap-on 12-point. A Genius 10mm quarter drive. I actually might need that because I think I lost my SK. I got a Mac 7/16 quarter drive. I got a few of these 3/8 drive sockets. We got a 19th 32nd, we got a 17th 32nd, and then a 1/2 inch. And the date code signifies 1957. We got these other three here. You probably not be able to see that very well. Oh, you never know. Snap-on, 1/2 inch drive, 6-point. A 1/4 inch, 6-point. And 9/32, and they're all 52. We got another quarter drive here, and it's, I'm not sure if that's BD or BO. There's a part number and quarter drive. Magnetic. Got a couple Blue Point Supreme wrenches. This one's 11/16, 3/4. This one's 5/16 and 1/4 inch. We got a 11/32 Mastercraft old script and a 5/16 Mastercraft old script. I like these old script ones. They look nice. Not sure who was making them for them at that time, but. And this one here. I have no idea what the hell that is. I can't barely read it. That looks like flute. I don't know. Made in Canada. 5/16 and 1/4 inch. And we also found a snap-on screwdriver. Tip actually looks not bad. A little chewed, but not that bad. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. This is Dano out.